The structuring step allows the user to define a document structure and tag images. Choose a PDF as one of your export options, and the tags associated with the images will be displayed as bookmarks. This screen is similar to the quality control layout, with thumbnails on the left, image preview in the center of the screen, and the standard book structure visible to the right. We will be assigning pages different tags by clicking a thumbnail to select it and dragging it over to the appropriate tag or name within the book structure. Let's start by moving the first page to the cover tag. Certain tags will be highlighted in yellow or green when you drag a page to the structure tree. The green shows where the selection will be put, and the yellow shows where the previous pages will be sent. This is one of LIM's autofill features. For example, these images 2, 3, and 4 are part of the front matter, but don't need to be individually tagged. Page number 5, however, is our title page, which gets a specific tag underneath the front matter heading. In selecting image 5 and dragging it to the title page tag, we can see that it will be highlighted in green, and images 2, 3, and 4 will be assigned to the front matter tag, which is highlighted in yellow. This can definitely save time because the user does not have to select multiple pages to put under a particular section. They can simply drag the first page of each section, and LIM will automatically fill in the rest. Continue by tagging the copyright and table of contents pages. Select multiple thumbnails at once by pressing the Shift or Control keys. If you accidentally move a page to the wrong tag, such as this copyright page, it's easy to select the page and drag it to the correct tag. LIM will reorder the tags as needed to keep our pages in order according to image number. Also, LIM will purge our document of any unused tags after we have completed the structure step, so no empty tags will be visible in the exported PDF. At this point, we have structured the cover and front matter of the book. We could continue on in the same way and manually structure all of the chapters in this book, but I want to show you two automatic tools that will speed up the process. Click the Auto Pagination tool and choose a page spread with page numbers. Draw a selection box around the page number on the left and the right-hand page. Click OK. When OCR is completed, LIM will display the numbers in a chart. LIM will do its best to analyze the page numbers, and if there are pages without numbers visible in that selection box that I drew, it will use surrounding page numbers to fill in the gaps. LIM can also handle a book with pages that are inserted without a page number being assigned, such as an image plate. You can manually edit the assigned numbers with a simple click. LIM also provides sorting options in this step. Click the yellow triangle to see which pages LIM has flagged for the user to review. When you have reviewed all of the page numbers for accuracy, click the OK button and LIM will apply the page numbers to each thumbnail. You can see that this book has an extensive table of contents, stretching over multiple pages. For this tutorial, I will select just the first page, but you could also select the group of images and apply the OCR table of contents tool to that entire selection. Once LIM has OCR'd the table of contents, it displays its findings and gives the option to edit the text. You can also add and remove entries. Now LIM knows that if Chapter 1 starts on page 1 and Chapter 2 starts on page 10, for example, that all of the pages in between those two numbers belong in the first chapter, and it will automatically assign them. Finish the book structure by manually tagging pages not included in the table of contents. You have the option of going back into the QC step in case you spot an image during structuring that really needs some work. The tagging that you've done in the structuring step will be automatically saved. Clicking the green Next button will automatically send the book to the current queue, and LIM will OCR the entire book and export it in the formats you have chosen. Please continue on by viewing the default settings and workflow video in this series.